Hey guys, what is up here? I'm recording this on my phone because I need to upload this video that I'm recording right now as soon as I'm done recording it. We have a really bad windstorm out, and I think my Wi-Fi thing is down here. And yeah, and me and my brother are trying to join a match of a game, and we cannot join it, and it's like really powerful wind outside right now, guys. I will show you guys here. Let me show you guys.
Well, you guys can get on the internet?
We can.
We can.
And we think we know what the issue is. That green box that I'm pointing at, you see that, guys? You see that wire and that crack in it? We think that's what's causing the issue.
It's not ready up, but it says our players are not ready up. We literally ready our players up, and it's not readying our players up.
By the way, guys, that's my brother right there, following know as from Nico's Awesome channel. It is really, really strong out. I literally just did this.
Go check for updates.
A good idea.
I think I have a letter.
Check for updates.
I had no updates.
Alright, I'm going to try watching this again and see if it will work.
Dude, look at that cat going downtown.
I know. Just look at this. Something fell from that tree, if you guys can see it. Right there that I'm pointing at. No. And Nico had to run out and grab it, and it was... The wind was so strong outside when he went out.
Pushing me.
It was literally pushing him. That's how strong this wind is that we have right now outside. And it's supposed to go until midnight, which is until 12 o'clock in the morning.
Does your arm hurt a lot?
No. My arm doesn't hurt.
Good. No, your left one. No, your right one.
No. But guys, I'm going to be vlogging and doing as much as I can today, because today's my last day off on winter break for school, and tomorrow I go back and we have to deal with this. Oh gosh, and the sun is shining. Woo! Guys, look at this though. It's literally the craziest thing ever. We're supposed to get rain and snow, but...
Not right now. So can you wait?
And it's literally so windy that people that have trampolines in their backyard have to tie it to something so that way it doesn't fall away. So
no, can you wait for me? No, wait.
I know. I'm just gonna double check real quick just to see if everything is okay.
It's checking for up.
Do 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 do.
Oh yep, it works.
All right, so I actually got it to work.
Okay.
So it's either that our computer needs to be cleaned, or something wasn't working.
Okay, let's put it.
All right, guys. This is the end of the episode. Make sure to like and subscribe. Peace.